We're checking out this 46 Dodge truck today in the garage. You see a lot of Fords and a lot of Chevys, but you don't see as many Dodge trucks at car shows, and I really fell in love with this car. This is just a beautiful old truck. Love the colors. It's the correct black fendered blue body. The gentleman that owns this truck has had a linoleum business since 1946, and that's why he wanted a 1946 truck. It's really, really cool. It has special meaning to him. And I love the styling of the Dodge. It has this really cool Art Deco look, little speed lines on the fenders. It's very swoopy, very rounded, just a really, really cool design of the W series Dodge trucks that were made between 1941 and 1947. They're also called job rated trucks. That's how Dodge advertised them, as the job rated trucks. And the meaning behind that is there was so many different body styles and engine choices and rear end choices and chassis choices. It's a bewildering amount that's really take a Dodge expert to keep track of. But I love the styling of this thing. Just a good looking truck. You know, and this guy has done a beautiful job restoring it. He drives this truck. It's not a showpiece. He does use it, and it's really nice to see the truck being used and enjoyed. Just a classy little ride. Inside very basic, but still has that kind of Art Deco look going all the way through it that I just love. Very simple, clean, classic design. And again, just don't see as many of these. He's got a little period correct turn signal lever on aftermarket, which they sold a ton of these. You see them on a ton of old vehicles, as turn signals were not a factory option sometimes on these things. Just a good looking truck. Done a nice job with that sign, with that wood on it. Just really, really cool. Again, I just don't see a lot of Dodges, and I just enjoyed seeing this truck. I wanted to share it with you guys. Check us out next time in the garage. Please like and subscribe. Catch you next time.